Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Monday, February 16, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex.
Hi, David. Good morning.
How are you today?
I am okay, a little tired.
Me too. I need this coffee.
Is the coffee machine working?
Yes, it is working fine.
That is good news.
It is the best news of the day.
How was your weekend?
It was great. Very relaxing.
Did you do anything special?
Not really. I just relaxed.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I worked a little bit.
On the weekend? Oh no.
Yes, I have a big project.
You work too much, Alex.
I know, but the deadline is soon.
You need a break.
I am taking a break now.
That is true. Enjoy your coffee.
It smells very good today.
Yes, it is a new blend.
I like it. It is strong.
I need strong coffee today.
Do you have many meetings?
Yes, I have 5 meetings.
Wow, that is a lot.
I know. It is a busy day.
Sales are always busy.
Yes, we are always running.
Did you read the news today?
Yes, I read the news this morning.
There are some interesting stories.
Did you see the one about New York?
No, what happened in New York?
I read it in the New York Times.
When was it published?
It was published on February 13th, 2026.
Okay, what does it say?
The headline is Nick Goes Cashless.
What does that mean?
It means no more paper money.
Really? In the whole city?
Yes, the city council voted.
When does it start?
It starts in 2027.
That is very soon.
Yes, all businesses must stop taking cash.
Why are they doing this?
The article says it stops tax evasion.
Ah, I understand. It is about money.
Yes, the government wants all the taxes.
But is it legal?
The article says yes.
What about privacy?
That is the problem.
People will be angry.
Yes, many people are protesting.
I prefer using my card.
Me too, it is faster.
But some people only have cash.
That is true. It is hard for them.
Is there a fine?
Yes, if a store takes cash, they pay.
How much do they pay?
They pay $5,000.
That is a lot of money.
Yes, it is very strict.
I think it is controversial.
I agree, but for me, it is easy.
You are a sales guy.
Exactly. I love digital payments.
It is efficient, but maybe not fair.
The world is changing, Alex.
Yes, it changes very fast.
Speaking of change, did you see the car news?
Which car news?
The one in the Wall Street Journal.
No, I missed that one.
It was from February 12, 2026.
What is the title?
It is called the $10 electric lane.
That sounds expensive.
It is very cool technology.
Tell me about it.
It is a new highway in California.
What does the highway do?
It charges your car while you drive.
While you are moving.
Yes, you do not stop.
That is amazing technology.
I know. No more charging stations.
How does it work?
There are cables under the road.
And the car connects wirelessly?
Yes, exactly like a phone charger.
That is very smart.
But there is a catch.
What is the catch?
It costs $10 per mile.
$10 for 1 mile?
Yes, it is very expensive.
That is crazy, David.
I know, but it saves time.
Only rich people can use it.
Maybe companies will pay for it.
For sales representatives?
Yes, I can drive and work.
Please do not drive and work.
I mean, I can travel faster.
It is good for the environment.
Yes, because electric cars are good.
But the price is too high.
The article says the price will go down
When will it go down?
maybe in 5 years.
That is a long time.
I want to try it now.
You need a company car first.
I will ask my boss today.
Good luck with that.
Technology is expensive.
Yes, but it solves problems.
Do you know what else solves problems?
What?
Virtual reality.
Oh no, what is it now?
Did you see the USA Today article?
No, what is it about?
It is from February 14th, 2026.
Was it about Valentine's Day?
No, it is about high school reunions.
Reunions? Like meeting old friends?
Yes, but not in person.
How do they meet?
They meet in the metaverse.
In virtual reality?
Yes. The article is virtual high school reunions
Why do they do that?
to look younger.
What do you mean?
You use an avatar.
An avatar.
Yes, a digital version of you.
So you do not look old?
Exactly. You look like you are 18.
That is very sad, David.
No, it is fun.
It is not real.
But nobody wants to look old.
But that is life.
The article says it is a big trend.
How many people do this?
It says 30% of reunions are now VR.
30%? That is high?
Yes, people are insecure.
They should be confident.
But in VR you can fly.
Can you fly at the reunion?
Yes, and you can wear cool clothes.
Digital clothes?
Yes, it costs money too.
Everything costs money today.
Would you go to a VR reunion?
No, I prefer real coffee.
But you can have virtual coffee.
Can I taste it?
No, not yet.
Then I do not want it.
You were too serious, Alex.
And you are too excited.
I think it is a good idea.
Why?
Because I don't have to travel.
That is a practical reason.
And I can mute people.
You can mute your old friends?
Yes, if they are boring, click.
That is terrible.
That is technology.
It makes us antisocial.
No, it is social, just different.
I like seeing people's faces.
But their faces are old now.
That is okay. We are all older.
Speak for yourself.
You are funny, David.
I try my best.
So, no cash electric roads in VR?
Yes, the future is here.
It is a strange future.
It is an exciting future.
I am not sure yet.
You worry too much.
That is my job. I am a project manager.
And my job is to sell the future.
Well, do not sell me a VR headset.
Not today, maybe tomorrow.
I have a meeting in 10 minutes.
Me too. I have a client call.
Is it a new client?
Yes, I hope they buy.
Good luck with the call.
Thanks. Good luck with your project.
I need to finish the report.
Do you need help?
No, I just need time.
And more coffee?
No one cup is enough.
I am going to have 2 cups.
You will be very energetic.
I need energy for the sales.
Okay, go get them.
See you at lunch?
Maybe, if I finish my work.
Okay, send me a message.
I will. Have a good morning.
You too, Alex. See you later.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.